Morning everyone, hope everyone's alright. Yeah, we're here today at Matlock. It's going to be a mad crazy day with all the motorbikes and everybody out. We're here nice and early. Still a bit foggy in the air. There's absolutely nobody here at the minute. Give it a couple of hours and this place will be absolutely rammed. So yeah, stay locked and loaded. It's going to be a good one. Yeah, look, as you can see, there's not one motorbike. The birds are still singing. That's how early I am today to catch a carnage. But yeah, stay locked and loaded. Here we've got one of the famous police officers from off Police Interceptors.
Morning, you alright?
Yep, he's here to enjoy the good day with all the motorbikes. We've got the blood services here as well, look. Yep, we're still early. It's still quite empty. But it's going to be a good day. Yeah, we've got the bike safety police here today as well. Yeah, the police have brought out some of the super bikes today.
Mechanically they're absolutely brilliant. Lewis. Yeah, you're not a bad swap.
That's the hardest bit of work he's done all year, look, polishing.
I do have to do something every so often.
Cool, you brought some beauties down here today. Yeah.
Clearly not know of it.
Hey, look, there's always one holding the traffic up, look, tractor. starting to get a bit busier now. A few more bikes turning up. That great Harley there, beautiful. V8. Yeah, it's getting a lot more busier now. Oh, there's some absolute beauties here today. Morning, you alright? So this bike is this one for road use at all?
No, this one doesn't get used on the road. It's a promotional bike.
Promotional?
Yeah, Ducati supply this for us so that we can get people like you talking to us. It's all stickered up with the police stickers, but it's not a patrol bike.
Yeah, we've had the kids sat on it as well.
Yeah, the kids love it.
This is more your patrol bike, isn't it? This one here.
Yeah, this is something we use every day. It's got a lot more weather protection. There's a lot more presence on the road.
Yeah.
All the blue lights. It's got the sirens fitted. It's got all the navigational equipment, the police radio, so we can talk to our comms room through our ear sets.
What sort of brake horsepower are these types?
This is standard 1250 RT, which is about 140 horsepower. It's not the most powerful bike. They are great for what we want because they carry a massive amount of equipment for us. They've got a good road presence. They've got good weather protection.
Yeah.
So it's just ideal for
nice
us.
bike all round.
Yeah.
There
very,
you go.
Very capable. Very capable.
Very capable bike.
Yeah.
There you go. You've heard it from the officer himself, and that is a beautiful bike. Yeah, got that. Got some power that has. Yeah, got quite a few emergency services here today. They're letting the kids sign the horns, showing them how to do resus.
That's worked, hasn't it? That's worked a bit better, hasn't it?
Oh, she's got some veggies looking in here.
Not very well done.
They're all coming down for the fish and chips. That's how we do it, people. That's the end of the video. You'd like to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the hype button, every button there is, hit it, hit it, hit it.